Welcome back. In today's video, I have put together over 180 window grill designs, and I promise you this is the most complete collection you will find anywhere on YouTube. We are going from the most simple and affordable design that anyone can make, all the way to absolutely royal luxury level grills that will completely transform any home. So let's dive. We are starting with modern villa style window grills, and these are the absolutely stunning. These designs are built from the high-grade steel finishes in premium colors, silver, gold, and matte black, also dual-tone combinations. Notice the clean lines, the sharp angles, the precise geometry. These are not ordinary windows grill. These are architectural features. The silver and gold finishes give these grills an incredibly premium look against stones and marble walls. And the laser cut design. Look at the precision of these patterns. CNC machines cut these with such accuracy that every single edge is perfectly sharp and clean. These villa style grills are designed for one purpose, to make your home look extraordinary from the outside. Security is there, yes, but design statement is equally important. And at the end of this session, 4 ancient royal style design. These draw inspiration from the heritage architecture, the ornate frame, classical motifs, the timeless bond. Now we move into Indian style window grill design for modern houses. What makes Indian style unique is the most combination of traditional motif with modern construction. You will see floral patterns, geometric gel-inspired design, and ornamental details, all executed in contemporary steel and aluminium. These designs work perfectly on modern Indian homes because they honor cultural heritage while still looking completely fresh and current. The warm tones, the elegant proportions. This is the Indian design sensibility at its finest. These grills do not just protect a window. At this point in the video, we are looking at upper class modern house window grill designs, and the shift in the style is immediately visible. Everything here is refined, precise, and intentional. Slim plate bars and perfect geometric arrangements, premium powder coat finishes, brushed gold, champagne bronze, deep charcoal, matte black. These are grilled designed by architects, not just by fabricators. The spacing between bar is calculated. The outer frame is bold and strong. The inner design is elegant and controlled. Nothing is accidental here. These designs suit homes with marble cladding, stone packaged, large glass windows. They complement the architecture rather than the just sitting on top of it. When it comes to designing in upper class homes, every detail matters, and your window grills are no exceptions. For beyond basic security, modern window grills serve as architectural statement. First up, let's talk about CNC laser cut grills. CNC technology allows for unparalleled precision. We are seeing a massive shift toward bold geometric intricate abstract lines and custom minimalist grids. These crisp, clean lines look incredible against large glass panes. They offer a sleek, contemporary aesthetic that perfectly complements modern, high-end packets, allowing light to pour and while maintaining absolute privacy and security. If you prefer a softer, more timeless touch, look no further than modern organic and floral motifs. Forget the overcomplicated heavy patterns of the past. Today's upper-class floral design are stylized, fluid, and elegant. Think duplicate wrought iron vines, sweeping metallic leaves, and abstract botanical elements crafted in premium matte black, brushed gold, or deep bronze. These designs bring a beautiful, high fashion contrast to modern concrete and stone. We are seeing beautiful use of 3D layer bar, asymmetrical grids, and floating frame that break away from traditional boundaries. Mixing premium material like high-grade stainless steel with brass accents creates a striking visual depth that feels curated and basic. Ultimately, a premium window grill shouldn't be just protect your home, it should elevate it. Which of these styles would you like best on your dream home? Let me know in the comment below. And now we come to a section that I think will connect with most of the people watching this video. Classic middle class window grill designs. These are traditional styles, tried, tested and trusted by millions of families across Pakistan, India and Bangladesh, across the South Asia for generations. You will recognize this design, the S-scroll here welded with the center, the twisted bar columns, the C. These details have been part of our home for decades and for good reason. They are beautiful, they are meaningful, they are made by skilled local craftsmen. Look at the scroll designs, that double twisted bar here running down the central panel of the small ring details. These are simple to describe, but when you see it installed on a freshly plastered wall in a matte black, it looks genuinely elegant. The geometric shape variation. The geometric shape variations, diamond, star, hexagon, welded as accent between these gives classical grills a fresh, updated feel without losing a familiar traditional character. And the floral design in this section are particularly special. The lotus motif, the rosebud cluster, the jasmine flower detail, the mango leaf pair. These are not just decorations, these are cultural expressions. These connect your home to something deeper, to nature, to tradition, to identity. They are genuinely affordable, genuinely beautiful, and genuinely lasting. This is the design language of our neighborhood, and there is a real dignity and artistry in that. Now we look at the basic window grill design, and I want to say something important before we start this section. Basic does not mean boring. Basic does not mean ugly. Basic means practical, affordable, and honest. These designs use simple round pipe and square tube, vertical bar, clean frame, maybe one up small decorative touch in the center, black matte, gray premier, and white pot. Simple finishes that last for years. For anyone building a new house on a tight budget, these designs are your best friends. They are strong, they are protective, and when installed neatly with good welding and clean paint, they look completely respectable. Different styles here too. Some with a single central decoration, some completely clean grid patterns, some with a small diamond or star accent, some variation that make each one slightly unique. Every great home starts with somewhere, and a well-made basic grill on a clean wall is always better than an expensive grill that was made done. This section is very close to my heart because these are the window grills of real life India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, South Asia. Millions of homes, millions of families. On almost every ground floor window, a simple welded steel grill keeping them safe. And now for the grand finale of our design collection. The most modern and most stylish, the most in-demand window grill design of right now. These are the design that everyone wants. New construction, renovation, premium apartment. These are the grills showing up on the best home being built today. Clean plate bars in precise vertical arrangements, slim profiles, shadow gap spacing, frameless flush mount installations, dark bronze ionized aluminum, matte black steel with brushed gold accents. Some of these designs integrate LED lighting inside the hollow frame profile. Imagine your window grill glowing with warm gold light at night. This is not just a security feature. This is the motorized retractable grills opens and closes electrically with a smart home panel on the wall. This is where window grills meet modern technology. These are the designs that make people stop and look twice when they walk past your home. And honestly, looking at these designs, it is hard to believe how far window grill design has come. From a simple welded pipe keeping a window safe to a glowing, precision engineered, culturally inspired architectural masterpiece, and that is the full journey up we had. So that was our complete collection of over 180 window grill designs, from the basic to affordable and all the way to a most royal and luxurious. Which this design was your absolute favorite? Tell me in the comments. I genuinely want to know if this video gave you any ideas or inspiration for your home. Please give it a like and share it with someone who is building and renovating right now. Our next video is coming soon. Thank you for watching. See you in